Stellar shows in a straightforward way that there is a negative force at the end of the week. The intraday value of XLM stays at $64,390,688, which is a very important number. Stellar is currently exchanging close 8 since May 8, 2023. In this video, we'll show you how to do a Stellar cost analysis for now or for about a week from now. We'll also try to answer some of the most frequently asked important questions. What is really just a short-term price expectation for Stellar is that XLM is a very smart investment. This is because XLM is mostly important for Stellar's support and resistance levels, etc., in a quiet way. However, before getting too deep into the XLM technical analysis, they thought it would be a good idea to talk about the state of the economy. Market research shows that in the last 24 hours, there has been a loss of 1.84%, taking the total digital money market to $1,136,853,977,543, which is a very important number. The most of all, out-exchanging volume basically remains at $47,516,158,315, showing how XLN-USD pair exchanging underneath a man and in every practical sense huge way Bitcoin shares 46.94% of the entry market while Ethereum for the most part has a predominance of 16.33%. Which fundamentally is very critical, which essentially brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $27,561.87 level after a decay of 4.43%, pretty further appearance hell yet prior to jumping in every practical sense profound into the XLM specialized examination most certainly allowed us fundamentally to discuss the by and large current economic situations, which most certainly is genuinely huge various selective DG currencies. As ETHRUM in every way that really matters has seen a value diminishing of 3.71 coming to 1841.73 during the past 24 hours in an unpretentious manner while distributing this blog BNB exchanged at 313.13 following a value change of 3.17 within a similar time span or so. They in every practical sense thought XRP, the genuinely local coin of XRP for the most part, is somewhere near 6.93. And right now exchanging at 42 kind of additional appearance how Bitcoin has 46.94% of the entry market, while Ethereum has a 16.33% lead, which is pretty big. Coco's BCX fell 0.77% to 60 cents, showing that Bitcoin has 46.94% of the entry market and Ethereum has a 16.33% lead, which is pretty big. These events show that the market is definitely going down at the moment. However, before plunging too deeply into the XLM, technical analysis gave us a chance to talk about the kind of economy people are in right now so they can buy in bulk. Right now, a very bad drop can be seen all over the crypto market, which is usually very big. Stellar support and opposition are important technical indicators used to find key price levels where the trend could go in a different direction. Showing that the extremely total trading volume in reality is still $47,516,158,315. This shows how XLM USD pair trading happens behind the scenes in a very important way. Support is a level where buyers become more active and keep the coin's price from falling much more. Opposition is a level where sellers become more active and keep the coin's price from going much higher. Here are Stellar's support and opposition levels. Market data: Stellar is really trading at 8 cents with a trading volume of $64,390,688. This shows how many different digital currencies there are, as ETHREUM specifically has seen its value drop by 3.71% to 1841.73 in the last 24 hours, which is contrary to what most people think. However, XLM has actually seen its value drop by 4% in the last 24 hours, and its price is now 3.62. Stellar Value Study XLM Cost Examination for the 8th of May 2023 inside a sort of everyday time period truly made sense of underneath which explicitly is very critical. We utilize genuinely relative strength index moving truly normal combination difference backing levels opposition levels different time span moving midpoints including truly straightforward moving normal and remarkable moving especially normal to generally dissect the future development of the stuff which generally shows that the exceptionally complete exchanging volume truly remains at $47,516,158,315 exhibiting how XLM USD pair exchanging beneath the mat in an essentially huge way the MACD line explicitly is remaining underneath of the extremely signal line after a hybrid sort of additional appearance. How XLMS in every practical sense entered a volume truly remains at 64,390,608 or so they certainly thought stellar financial backers need to essentially sit tight for any directional change over the everyday diagram which most certainly is very huge. Stellar has broken all of its support levels, and things don't look good for the crypto market as a whole. XLM, in particular, has lost 4% of its value in the last 24 hours, and its price has changed by 3.6% over the past week. This is a very important number. Bears are in charge of the market right now, and they have pushed the price of XLM below the key support level of 11 cents. This means that the MACD line is still below the signal line after a hybrid further look. How XLM's daily volume stays at $64,390,688 is very important. The relative strength file shows that the XLM coin is in a consolidation zone because the RSI is at 42. This means that stellar financial investors should wait for a change in direction on the daily graph and in a significant way. The XLM coin's Williams percent or pointer is at 68.584, which shows that the market is neutral. Really take a closer look at how we use the relative strength measure to move really normal union and uniqueness support and opposition levels at different time span moving midpoints, such as really easy moving really normal and really dramatic moving really normal to buy and big exam. Tuesday, the price of Bitcoin stayed below a key price floor as investors got ready for retail sales data from the U.S. As inflation starts to slow down, sales in the U.S. are expected to go up after going down for 2 months. Ethereum's price is still more than $1,800. Bitcoin, BTC, prices stayed the same during today's session as markets got ready for the latest U.S. retail sales numbers.